Welcome to the Code with Moan channel. In this video, we're going to walk through how to download and install IntelliJ IDE, a powerful IDE, to start learning Java and Kotlin programming. Step 1. Download IntelliJ IDE. First, head to the link I've placed in the video description below. On the official JetBrains website, you'll find download options for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Pick the one that matches your operating system. There are two editions you'll notice. Ultimate Edition. This is the paid version that offers a 30-day free trial. Great if you're planning to do advanced development or have a budget. Community Edition. Completely free and more than enough for beginners. Scroll down slightly to find this version and click the download button to begin. Once the download starts, just wait a few moments for it to finish. Step 2. Install IntelliJ IDE. When the file has finished downloading, you can either click on it directly from your browser's download bar or open the folder where it was saved and double-click the installer. When prompted, click Yes to allow installation. The setup wizard will launch and you'll see a welcome screen. Click Next. By default, IntelliJ will install in the Program Files folder on your C drive, but you can change the installation path you want. Just click Browse and choose a different location. Make sure it's a secure folder that won't be deleted, or the IDE might not work properly. Note, you'll need around 3 GB of free disk space. Click Next again. Step 3. Configure installation options. You'll now see some optional settings. These are totally up to you. I'm selecting a few that I personally use, then clicking Next, followed by Install. Now just wait for the setup to complete. Once done, you'll see a Finish button. You can choose to restart your computer now or later. After that, IntelliJ will be ready to launch. Step 4. Launch IntelliJ and create your first project. To open IntelliJ, 1. Click the Windows search icon. 2. Type IntelliJ and click the result with the app icon, not the .exe file. 3. When prompted, select Don't Send for sharing data. If you prefer privacy, the main dashboard will appear. Click New Project. Name it something like Learn Java and confirm that the language is set to Java. Step 5. Choose a JDK version. Now select a JDK Java Development Kit. If you don't have one installed, you can download a JDK version right from IntelliJ. It supports Java 8 and above. Choose the latest version or the one that fits your needs. Click Select, then Create. IntelliJ will now download any necessary components. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom. Wait until it's done loading everything before running your code. Step 6. Run your first Java program. Once everything's ready, you can right-click the Java file and select Run, or click the green triangle Run button at the top. If your program runs successfully and you see the output as expected, congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up IntelliJ IDE for Java development. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to dive into Java programming. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more helpful programming tutorials. See you in the next video.